Assalamu alaikum and good morning, everybody. I hope you're having a beautiful Sunday morning, and I hope you're enjoying the sunshine as well. The sun is beautiful out here. So yesterday's session could not go as planned because a power issue ho gaya tha at the end of a guest. But anyways, we are here live today to share Danish experiences and Danish learning with you. So, just a bit about Danish. Danish Jas is CEO of Madvertising, and what Madvertising does is that it focuses on helping companies build their online presence and also helps them out with digital marketing solutions. So, before that, Danish has worked with a couple of organizations in helping them to discover their brand identity, in helping them to strengthen their brand position. So, over to you, Danish. Please introduce yourself for our audience.
Assalamu alaikum. Well, the introduction is pretty much made. I think I don't see any further value addition to it. But with the with the passage of time, the only conclusion that I was able to get out of advertising is that regardless of how many years that you put in, it's always a learning curve, and you're always learning new things. Be it conventional marketing or be it the digital marketing. Digital का तो अपना rapid growth बहुत आता है. So yeah, so that's it. Well, Madvertising is a full service agency which we initiated a year and a half ago. It also caters an online magazine which is working really hard to ensure कि हम पाकिस्तान की a brand, startup culture or different aspect of the positive aspect of Pakistan उसको हम highlight करें on a global platform. So this is what we are. This is what we are trying to do, and of course, in this crucial time, we are trying our level best to rethink and reevaluate how brands are going to be talking to people and how we as advertising are going to ensure that brands are most effective in this point of time.
So, Danish, you spent a lot of years in advertising. I think 15, more than 15 years.
Yes.
So, based on all of your experiences and what's happening right now, my first question to you would be that what is the current state of digital marketing and advertising at the moment?
Well, unfortunately, the current stage is exactly the same stage which was before the COVID. सिर्फ डिफरेंस क्या आया है कि हम अब हर चीज में पहले प्रोडक्ट को पुश कर रहे थे, अब सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग को पुश कर रहे हैं.
That's
Uh,
true.
and I got a joke. I laughed and I shared it with a colleague of mine of Toyota as well. वो बड़ा मजे का था कि before COVID-19, buy a Toyota, and
Uh,
post during COVID-19, hey, we understand the dilemma, buy a Toyota. So not much of a change has actually come in the Pakistani perspective, but if you look at the global perspective, things are changing. The biggest surprise in the world is that the advertising attention has been reduced. So the latest number, as per the GIW, is that 28% uh, of the consumers are actually looking at the ads. So
Obviously.
this is an alarming number. This is the big number. Uh, if I talk about right now, I have to talk about the earlier situation of advertising slash digital advertising in Pakistan. Uh, Wherever we went, we always introduced digital as a platform which requires a two-way communication. But
Mm,
unfortunately, the brands always came up to the point कि हम पहले बात करेंगे और फिर customer को सुनेंगे. So it was always pushing the brand, then involving the customer on the process. There are a couple of choti brands which are at the growth stage, so they're listening to the customer more than established brand. Unfortunately, probably it's because of um, they being them being already established on all the communication channels and platforms, or probably because the big agencies are not willing to understand that the customer has a say as well. Because आप बहुत ज़्यादा इस चीज़ का होता है हमारे यहाँ, जैसे ही कोई कस्टमर किसी चीज़ पे कंप्लेन करता है, हम फौरन उस पोस्ट को डिलीट कर देते हैं rather
that's
than
true.
addressing the issue. खैर, तो ये पोस्ट प्री कोविड इशू था. सो पोस्ट में अब क्या हो रहा है कि हम अभी भी कस्टमर को ब्रांड पुश कर रहे हैं, जिससे कस्टमर जो है जो हमारी कम्युनिकेशन है वो आइसोलेट होती जा रही है. And
Hmm.
I know the couple of smart brands are there which are doing social listening, but in majority, nobody is not even aware about the concept of social listening, especially the brand side. And we are more reactive as a brand than responsive. सो
Hmm.
वो जो बैलेंस है रिएक्शन और रिस्पॉन्स का, उसमें हम बहुत मिस्टेक्स करते चले जा रहे हैं. और इसी वजह से लोकल प्लेयर्स जो कि इस गैप को समझते चले जाते हैं, वो बिल्ड अप करते जा रहे हैं अपने आप को, और अपनी नई नई ब्रांड्स इंट्रोड्यूस करते चले जा रहे हैं. द प्राइम एग्जांपल आई थिंक इन द पास्ट हैज बीन द ग्लोबल food chains coming in Pakistan, but the way
Yes.
local burger joints have understood what customer wants and have started working on that has actually given a huge hit to the global brands. So maybe we need to revisit the overall strategy. And in this current situation of COVID 19 era, we need to listen to the customer more. We need to listen to their needs. We need to stop pushing the product. At times, we just need to listen to the customer and say, hey, we understand what you want. So probably we might not be listening to them on something which is related to your own brand. You may recommend something else.
Hmm.
Lifebuoy did an amazing campaign this time, that by saying, hey, it's time to wash your hands regardless of what soap you use. You must stand up and use either Lifebuoy or Dettol or anything. So, you need to stand up and stop being a bit selfish. This is not the time for being a selfish. I have to stand up
Hmm.
and do something positive. You have to listen to the customer, like I'm saying it again, and make yourself available accordingly.
That's great insight, Danish, because even from my own learnings and experiences, जो बात मैंने भी सीखी है वो यही है कि the more you stay customer focused, the more you can add value to the customer and be very aligned to what they want and how they want it. The more value that you can truly create rather than functioning in your own bubble. Sometimes I would like to call it the utopian bubble, just may you're so cut off and so distant from the reality of the market that uh, you're just there for your own self. It's like uh, कोई डांसर होता है जो एक ऑडियंस के बगैर डांस कर रहा होता है. That's something which ठीक है. So that brings me to my next question, and my next question is that what do you think the customers want, or how can you find out what the customers want?
यार देखो, इस वक्त कस्टमर की जो सिचुएशन है ना, वो बहुत अजीब हो चुकी है. वी आर ऑल्सो कस्टमर्स एट द एंड ऑफ द डे. हम अगर एक ब्रांड को पुश कर रहे हैं, तो एक तरफ हम कंज्यूमर हैं उसके भी.
Hmm.
इस वक्त अगर आप पाकिस्तान की या पूरी दुनिया में किसी भी मुल्क की आप सिचुएशन देखो, इट्स बिन मोर देन अ मंथ दैट वी हैव बीन सिटिंग इन आवर हाउसेस. वी आर वेरी वेरी सेल्डमली गोइंग आउटसाइड. जो अपार्टमेंट्स में रहते हैं, वो उनकी मूवमेंट ज़्यादा रिस्ट्रिक्टेड है बनिस्बत जिनके अपने छोटे से घर हैं, तो चले वो बरामदे वगैरह में या इस तरह घूम लेते हैं.
Yeah.
ग्रोसरी के लिए भी लोग डर रहे हैं अब. इसी वजह से ऑनलाइन ग्रोसरीज का ट्रेंड, जो है वो ट्रेंड बढ़ चुका है. तो जो कस्टमर है इस वक्त, वो चार चार चीजों के अंदर फंसा हुआ है. ही इज लुकिंग फॉर अ गाइडेंस ऑनलाइन डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर. एंड उस गाइडेंस के लिए ही इज ट्राइंग हिज लेवल बेस्ट टू आइदर गो ऑन द वेबसाइट, टॉक टू पीपल इन द कम्युनिटी, बट नॉट ऑन द फेसबुक पेज. मोर फोकस ऑन कम्युनिटी ग्रुप्स. पोस्ट कोविड टाइम पे फेसबुक ग्रुप्स या दूसरे प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर आइडिया जनरेशन या इस किस्म की चीजें बढ़ना शुरू हो गई. ही इज
Hmm.
नाउ लुकिंग फॉर न्यू आइडियाज ऑफ व्हाट टू डू एट होम. अगर वो घर वर्क फॉर होम की फिलोसफी पे चल रहा है, तो चलो ठीक है, उसके 8-9 घंटे चल जाते हैं. लेकिन अगर वो नहीं चल रहा, तो फिर वो क्या करेगा? ही नीड्स न्यू आइडियाज. Then if he is not getting those, then he needs distraction.
Hmm.
Unfortunately, our conventional media, our news channels, they are very hyper on bringing death to the infidels वाली situation वाली बनी हुई उनकी. आप सिवाय कोरोना के ऊपर टेंशन 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 के और कुछ नहीं देख रहे. एंड my family very openly has stopped watching TV anymore. They don't watch it
Hmm.
because the news is depressing. So they need distraction. अब उस distraction में surprisingly platforms like TikTok and platforms like any platform which includes video entertainment is actually going up. Netflix is boosting. TikTok is boosting, internet bandwidth has been choked, Amazon Prime has been boosted. ये सारी चीजें आपकी इस चीज को एविडेंट है कि कस्टमर को एक पॉजिटिव डिस्ट्रैक्शन चाहिए, और वो उसको नहीं
Hmm.
नहीं लिमिटेड प्लेटफॉर्म पे मिल रही है। ब्रांड्स कैसे प्रोवाइड कर रही हैं वो एक अलग क्वेश्चन, अभी हम वहां नहीं जा सकते, अभी हम एक कस्टमर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बात करें। बट
Okay.
all in all, this is going to a point where customer needs comfort. Nobody is giving them comfort other than entertainment at this point of time, probably because the dramas तो खैर हमारे माशाल्लाह छोड़ दें, तो नेटफ्लिक्स के ऊपर ज्यादा लोग अपनी चॉइस पे, जो कि वो वीडियो ऑन डिमांड है, अपनी चॉइस पे वो वीडियोस देख सकते हैं, तो वो अपनी प्रेफरेंस के हिसाब से वीडियोस देख रहे हैं। अनदर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग ट्रेंड दैट हैज स्टार्टेड, which is a very positive trend, is book reading के ऊपर काफी emphasize होना शुरू हो गया है। I see a lot of book reading clubs that have been made online. There are a lot of trends that is going on, uh, which are forming online on the digital platforms. So all in all, that shows that hamari the customer is looking more human element than talking to a brand at this point of time. So maybe now coming towards the brand perspective of customer, maybe we need to be more human than more brand. you
Hmm.
know we need to see what TikTok is doing, which makes them more human to consumer. Why in the time of social distancing people can come up with a clip and create entertainment things for in order to make other people distracted, or to create information, or to just send a social message to other people to understand how things are going to value, then
So it's probably, from what I understand from your conversation, is कि it's probably got to do with the fact कि you need to understand what your customers are experiencing and feeling at this point in time, and how can your brand support them in this journey. And
yeah,
I also feel that brands who keep themselves alienated from whatever is going on, and just push their product at this point in time, is it possible that they lose their customers too? Because वो एक selfishness का element आना शुरू हो जाता है कि like they don't care, because
exactly.
brands need to come off as caring, and they need to come off as empathetic as well.
Yeah, अब empathy की एक simple तरीन example है. We both know a co-working space called Work Hall,
Yeah.
and the way everything is happening, COVID era में हर एक का अपना perception है. They did a very smart thing. They introduced online fitness classes, which is
Hmm.
completely irrelevant for them. But the only reason they decided to do and go for that kind of communication is because they wanted people to be healthy in this time when they're sitting at home and doing nothing, or maybe just doing a lot of work by just sitting for 6 to 10 hours. So they introduced high power yoga exercises, burning fat, and what exercises can you do at home. Although a lot of people on in their individual capacities are doing as well, trainers started doing it in order to make sure कि वो relevant रहे. But a
Hmm.
co-working space going for that kind of stuff, which is completely different for them, that makes some sense. That shows some numbers that okay, fine, they're listening to customer, they're understanding their needs, and based on that, they're willing to go an extra mile for them.
Hmm. So what about already established brands like tea के brands हो गए, या hygiene products के brands हो गए? How do you think they can change their brand strategy in order to cater to current times?
आई थिंक ग्लोबली तो बहुत कुछ चेंज हो रहा है। लोकली हाइजीन वगैरह की ब्रांड जो है आधी से ज्यादा ने तो एक्चुअली आई डोंट सी अ लॉट ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन हैपनिंग बिकॉज दे हॉट सेलिंग हॉट केक्स राइट नाउ। सो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल
Hmm.
विल से यार चलो हम इतने बिक रहे हैं तो हमें अभी एडवर्टाइजिंग की जरूरत नहीं है। बट नॉट जस्ट दैट, दे नीड टू एक्चुअली एड मोर वैल्यू ऑफ अदर देन हाइजीन व्हाट दे कैन डू। The with the hygiene, the biggest problem is the psychological issues that are started building up in the consumer section.
Hmm.
uh, will they be only talking about the physical health, or are they willing to go up to an extra mile and talk about mental health? So,
Hmm.
these are the elements that we need to see whether are going to happen. So probably the big brands need to assess whether they want to talk about the overall lifestyle and include the mental health wala area, or just want to focus on 5 जरासीम 5 मिनट में मारने वाली कहानी.
So again, that requires once again a shift in perspective, rethinking your brand value proposition,
Yeah.
and the messages that you are sending out, the communication that you are sending out there. Okay, so going forward from this question, my last question to you would be that how do you build an effective online brand presence? Like, because online has become all the more digital now than all the
Oh
more
yeah.
relevant now than it was in the past.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. देखें, you want to be relevant, you have to reduce the suffering of customer. Very simple, point blank. How can you ensure you can reduce the suffering? You can't eliminate the suffering completely. That is given. There are 10,000 other factors which are involved. You can't address all of them. But as a brand, one pick up one aspect of suffering that you can reduce in this era, in this lockdown time. You need to understand, you have to unlearn everything of the past, and you have to come to learn new things. Mind you, there are more people in a lockdown than the people who were locked down in World War II. It's a huge number of people that are in lockdown. There's a great distress going on. Uh, there, there is a lot of anxiety going on. So how can we reduce that anxiety? How can we listen to the customer more? How can we? I think मेरे हिसाब से इस वक्त जो strategies हैं, हम अपने पेज पे कम्युनिकेशन कम करें और ग्रुप्स में इंटरेक्शन ज्यादा करें.
Community-based communication,
कम्युनिटी
basically.
कम्युनिटी बेस्ड कम्युनिकेशन. आप अपना मीडिया स्पेंड कर रहे हैं, करें, कोई मसला नहीं है, लेकिन आप अपने कंटेंट को कम्युनिटी फोकस करना शुरू करें. आप मीडिया स्पेंड को बहुत वाइजली लेकर चलें, क्योंकि आपका मीडिया हर जगह अगर लगेगा तो वो भी बैकफायर कर जाता है. एंड इन पास्ट वी हैव सीन दैट. Then how effectively at this point of time are you using influencers? Because influencers are as close to human interaction with a brand as we can think about at this point of time. So are you using those influencers effectively? Are we listen to the customer first? Then are we using the influencers properly? Are we talking to them through a community? And are we using our ad spend properly? तो ये 3-4 proposition ऐसे हैं जिसको आप बहुत effectively use करते हैं, तो उसके हिसाब से आप अपना content पूरा form करना शुरू करते हैं, और वो content आपका जितना community focus होगा, उतना आपका point build up होगा, आपकी उतनी brand build होना शुरू हो जाएगी.
So I
आप
feel it's more about taking your market research के जो focus groups होते हैं, taking them online and building a community where you ask simple and direct questions regarding, what the customers want, what are the expectations, and then probably tailoring your advertising and your communication accordingly. Is that what you're trying to say?
Yes, and not just that. The earlier time, there was a point when this whole situation started. Couple of brands came to me and said, "Is it the time for us to go dark?" I said, "No, this is not the time to go dark. It's actually the time to be more relevant to customers." So strategically, वो आपकी brand उसी वक्त build होना शुरू होगी कि जब आप अपनी target audience के साथ relevant होते चले जाएंगे.
Chale. Chale Danish, lovely having you over. Thank you so much for your insights. I
And
hope it added.
apologies about last night. It was just unavoidable circumstances, and I was really looking forward yesterday as well.
Yeah, I feel living in this city that unpredictability and last moment mishaps are woven into our lives, I feel. So, thank you so much for sharing your insights and adding value to our audience. So, hopefully, let's connect soon.
Thank you very
All
much.
right. So, if anyone has any questions for Danish before I end this, please ask your questions right away. If you're trying to build an online presence, or you want to come up with better ideas to do that, please share your questions. Okay. So, I think we're good for now.
Yeah.
So, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Danish.
Oh, welcome. Oh, welcome.
Bye bye.
Allah Hafiz.